So this is the last question which is given in our homework question. No, not homework question. Last day's practice problem. This is the fourth question I have given. Find out RAB. Already we were given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like that namings is already given. So what I'm going to do is, how can we solve this? We have to find out this A and B. But this FG is shorted, CD is shorted. But there is no shorting here. There is no shorting here. So how can I solve this? So in order to start from here, I'll just try here. Okay, so if I am solving this, okay, this is easy, I think. See, look here, if I am looking into it, I don't have a resistance value here. So I am putting 10 ohm. 10 ohm. So if I am looking to this corner, then this 40 and 10 ohm are in series. Okay, then if I am looking here, this 15 and this 10 ohm are in series. Okay, similarly if I am looking here, this 20 and 30 ohm are in series. Okay, so how can I rewrite it? This is 50 ohm, this is 25 ohm, and this is 50 ohm, isn't it? So 50, 25, 50 ohm. So if I am redrawing my circuit again, then there is A is only 2 ohm, 2 ohm A, then here it is my C, then after that I am having a resistance here at G, that is 25 ohm, then after that I am having a resistance that is 50 ohm. Then the C and D are shorted, isn't it? C and D are shorted, as well as I am having a resistance here. What is the resistance value? That is 50 ohm. 50 ohm. Then there is a resistance F. This F and G are shorted. Then I am having 8 ohm resistance, and this is my B terminal. Okay, so this is the circuit we are finally getting. How can we solve this? Oh, we have to redraw it. Otherwise, we don't know how to solve this. So if I am redrawing it, then I am taking this as my terminal A, and in between A and C, I am having 2 ohm. Okay, so I have noted this C. This is 2 ohm. Okay, so I have drawn this. Now, from C and G, it is 25 ohm. Okay, from C and G, it is 25 ohm. How can I draw within C and G? It is 25 ohm. Okay, so I am drawing here C and G. I am drawing it as 25 ohm. Okay, now, so I have drawn this. Then G and D is 50 ohm. But this D and C is shorted, so I can call this as also D. Okay, in between G and D, it is 50 ohm. Okay, so in between G and D, it is 50 ohm. So I have drawn this also. Then C, D I have marked. Then in between D and F, it is 50 ohm. So D and F and G are shorted. So this is G comma F. So in between D and F, another 50 ohm. Oh, this is easy. So here it is another 50 ohm in parallel. And then from F and B, so this is F. Okay, F and B we are having 8 ohm. So I can redraw like this. Oh, this is very easy question. See, first question kandapam paadan thoni, but if you are redrawing it, the question is very, very easy to solve. Okay, so let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 resistances. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistances are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistances are there again. So if I am solving this 50 and 50, you can write and solve. Okay, either you can solve this entirely like R equivalent is equal to 1 by 50 plus 1 by 50 plus 1 by 25 the whole inverse. This is the R equivalent, or we can simply say 50 and 50, two resistance in parallel, that is 25. 25 and 25, two resistance in parallel, then 25 by 2, that is 12.5. Okay, so we can directly say this is 12.5. So I can say this is 12.5 ohm, or if you want to check it with the calculator, then 50 inverse plus 50 inverse plus 25 inverse whole inverse, you will get it as 12.5, isn't it? This is very easy, 12.5. So if I am redrawing my circuit again, then I am having 2 ohm, then 12.5 ohm and 8 ohm. 8 ohm, 12.5 ohm, and this is A and B. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 12.5 it's 22.5. So what is the answer? RAB is equal to 22.5 ohm. I hope you understood it. Okay, I hope you understood it. So what I have done, first before redrawing, I just checked it and I found out that these two are in series, these two are in series, and these two are in series. So I have redrawn with the simplified circuit. Then after making simplified circuit, I didn't understand anything. The connections are so crossed. So I planned to redraw the circuit. So first I took A and C. So A and C is 2 ohm. A and C is 2 ohm. Then C and D are shorted. So I named the same terminal C and D. Then C and G is 25. So C and G I have marked it as 25. Then G and D in between it is 50. So this is G, this is D. So another 50 ohm in parallel. Then D and F another 50 ohm. So D and F another 50 ohm. And F and B in between 8 ohm. So I have just drawn like this so that we can find out the resistance, that is RAB. This is the RAB resistance. So these three are in parallel and I got it as 12.5 plus 8 plus 2 as 22.5 ohm. I hope you understood. The question is very easy. Okay,